Hi, welcome to this video where I will walk you through how you can open up an account on Tylt. So our website at Tylt is tylt.money. So that's TYLT.money. And what you want to do here is you want to click on sign up now. Now you can do all of this on your phone. You can also do it on the web. Obviously today I'm using my laptop, so I'm using the web app. You click on sign up now and it's going to ask you for your email address, or you can also log in using your Google social login. I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address here, which is raghu@rainplatforms.com. I click on continue and it is asking me to enter the one-time password, which has been sent to my email. So I go ahead and retrieve that and I copy it and I paste it over here. I click on continue and I'm in. It is literally that simple to get started with Tylt and create an account. Once I'm here, I have access to my personal wallet. You can see that I have $12 in my account. And right off the bat, I can do a few things. I can send crypto. I can receive crypto from anyone. I can also purchase crypto using the peer-to-peer exchange. I can have my crypto converted from one crypto to another. And I can on-ramp and off-ramp myself and convert my fiat to crypto and crypto to fiat using the on-ramp and off-ramp facilities.